Hello, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you a tutorial how to find your post you have liked on Instagram for Android. And before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start. First we go to Instagram application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Instagram is. And after that you can go to the profile button in the bottom of the right corner and go to the three strip in the upper of the right corner. And then the next tab you can go to the your activity, and the next tab you can go to the interactions. Next, click on the likes here, and you can see there is a post that you have to like by your account. It's very simple way to do it, guys. Okay, I think it's enough to how to find your post you have liked on Instagram for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.